Hi guys! Today I'd like to show you how I updated my old jeans and the blouse that I bought a while ago at H&M. For the jeans I already made a little embroidery on the sleeves and a little cuffs. The cuffs, it's actually from my old blouse, also that I bought at H&M. Today we'll be updating the blouse together. And there is my little helper. I'm gonna use a vest that left from a blouse, and I'm gonna use sleeves from my old turtleneck. And I think that almost everyone has a turtleneck. It's convenient and very comfortable clothes. I'm gonna use leftovers from the blouse to make sure my sleeves from turtleneck are gonna be exactly the same fit for my blouse. Now we have our new sleeve exactly where they're supposed to be. We've used basic stitchers for that, and we have to just reinforce our stitching with sewing machine or using hand stitchers, but make them a little nicer and to reinforce our basic stitching. As a guidance for our next and main seam, we'll use little holes from original seam that left, and it's gonna be ideal because our sewing gonna be really neat and gonna be exactly where it's supposed to be.